I was thinking to share some basic knowledge about computers with you. I must say I'm no expert. I'm just knowing some basic things, but I was thinking to share some of these basic things with you that can be useful, I do believe. What we see here is a computer that I installed. It's in VirtualBox. It's a Windows 10. It's just been installed. And I was thinking to take you step by step what would be smart to do. Number one is concerning safety computer, it's good to update the machine. So we'll check the machine for updates. We'll go here to start, settings, update security. As we see here, it's already been updating some things and it tells me we need to restart it. So we'll restart it now. Okay, we will log into the machine. The machine have now been updated, but we will check one more time and see if there are some more updates. Once again, to settings here, start and settings, update and security. And then as we stand here on this Windows update, we choose check for updates. As that's mentioned, we can mention that sometimes the update can take some time concerning how good bandwidth you have and so on. But it's important to, when it's working, and then let it work and just do a check sometimes to see if there are some new updates. As it looks here, it's up to date now, for now you can say. So that was number one, to update the machine through Windows Update. In Windows 10 we have a program called Windows Defender. This program is used to protect you against viruses and spyware and so on. This program is very easy to run and it doesn't use a lot of resources on the machine. But in some tests it's not always so big score concerning finding viruses and so on. So some people like to use this one and stick to that, and some like to use, like, for example, Avast or something like that. It's up to you. Some prefer that and some prefer that. But this is just to tell you that it's already installed here and it's updated. So there are some kind of protection inbuilt in Windows 10. But as you know, we need some programs to do different things. So what I would recommend was to go to internet and go to Ninite. Ninite.com. At this place we can find many good programs that is for free, and you don't have to be afraid that there's many other things that follow together with it when you install it. Some like Chrome or Firefox. Paint can be a good program to fix your photos. Some like to install Skype. And what I was talking about, you can choose, for example, Avast. Malwarebytes is a good recommended program concerning computer safety. You can run it sometimes. It's not going all the time, but you run it like once a week or once every third day or something like that. Super Anti-Spyware is also a good program that you can run once a week. TeamViewer is a good program that can help you when you want to, if you want to help somebody, they can install TeamViewer, and you can use TeamViewer to remotely control the computer and do adjustments and fix things. Image Burn is a good program to burn out CDs and so on. TerraCopy, it will improve sometimes the copy. If something is problem with copying some files, you will see what files that have not been copied and so on. So that can be a good program. CD Burner XP is a good program, good software to burn out CDs. Classic Start Some, like this one. If you install this, it will add a menu, so it will look more like Windows 7. As we see here now, it's not looking much like Windows 7, but if we choose this one and install it, we will take a look and see how things will be then. Some prefer VLC. It's a good software to play music or videos. Audacity is a good program to handle sound. If you want to adjust some sound and create sound, and you can say make recordings. Collide Codex is good to have. It will help you to run different videos and in different formats, you can say. It gives you a lot more support. 7-zip is a good program if you want to zip or unzip files. You can also use it to make zip folders where you create a password. So if there are some files you want to keep safe, you can use this to do that too. You can zip it before you upload it and add a password to it. Java is important to have in many cases. Silverlight also. We have this program called Adobe Reader, but this one, Foxit Reader, would do just the same. This one here, Foxit Reader. LibreOffice is a good program, good software concerning if you want to create documents and so on and do calculations. That can be a good program to install. It's all for free, this. QtPDF, it can be helpful sometimes when you want to print out something. You can print it out like a PDF and save it like a PDF. That's a good thing to have. It can be very useful in many cases. KeePass is a very good program to help you concerning passwords, to create passwords and to store passwords. That will help you to make it more safe. Okay, I think that's what I wanted to install now. You just go here, get your Ninite, and here you see all the programs we have been choosing, and we can see this view downloads. You will see here is this program that we've downloaded. It's here. So what this will do, when I double click it and start to run it, it will install all these programs. If I click this file, like example 1 week later, if there are some updates for some of the programs, it will install updates. So this is a very good way to keep this software updated. So you can just use this document to update the software. So what we can just call it something different. Update the programs. I would just move it to my documents so I know where it is. So I would just run it now. I double click it and you just say yes, and this will start this. So we can close these other ones here. If we see here show details, we will see the details of the software being installed. And it's very fast with installing different things. This that we have been choosing here. It's very easy to use this way. I think that's a good idea.